I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact depth and environment because pressure and salt affect gear. Mount your hydrophone to the recorder or place the mic in its housing. Make sure O-rings are clean and lubricated. Once done, secure cables with ties and install a shock mount to reduce handling noise. Check battery levels and set recorder gain low as a baseline. Why? Because underwater signals can peak quickly. Now move to a shallow test deployment to verify leaks and levels before full submersion. You lower the setup steadily, keeping it away from the hull to prevent mechanical noise. Once submerged, adjust gain and apply a low-cut filter to remove surface rumble. Choose 48 kHz for general work or 96 kHz for high-frequency detail. Make sure you can monitor levels, either by wearing waterproof headphones or watching the recorder display, so peaks don't clip. If levels spike, reduce gain or add attenuation. Also, note time and depth for each take, because context explains what you recorded later. You bring the rig up slowly to avoid splashing the housing, then rinse with fresh water and dry it before opening to prevent salt damage. Transfer and back up your files immediately and inspect waveforms for clipping or weak signal-to-noise ratio. This tells you what to change next. If you see clipping, reduce gain or add attenuation. If noise dominates, move away from the noise source or improve isolation with foam mounts. One key troubleshooting tip. If recordings are noisy, try a different depth or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.